In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email for your Mailchimp campaign, a crucial final check to ensure everything appears just as you intended. This process is important because even the most minor errors can impact the effectiveness of your campaign. So let's dive right in and make sure your email is ready to impress your audience. Firstly, you'll need to start by opening your Mailchimp email campaign. If you're unfamiliar or new to Mailchimp, this is where you create the emails you'll be sending out to your subscribers. Make sure you finish designing your email and it's ready for that final check. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll spot the Preview and Test button. It's an essential tool in ensuring your campaign looks the way you want it to before sending it out for real. Upon clicking the Preview and Test button, you'll see an option that says Send a Test Email. This is your golden ticket to preview how your email looks before it lands in your subscribers' inboxes. Go ahead and click on Send a Test Email. This step offers you the opportunity to view your email in real time, just as your recipients will see it. Now, a new window will pop up prompting you to enter the email addresses to which you'd like to send this test. It's a good idea to include your own email address as well as any colleagues or collaborators who can give you valuable feedback. Simply type them into the designated field. Don't be shy about sending it to a few different email providers like Gmail or Outlook, as this ensures it looks good across the board. If you'd like to personalize the experience a bit more, you can customize the subject of the test email. While not entirely necessary, it can help differentiate this test email from others in your inbox. So feel free to change it to something easy for you to track, perhaps adding the date or a note that it's a test version. Once you've entered the details, the next step is to send the email. Take a deep breath and hit send. Congratulations, your test email is now on its way. It should arrive in your inbox shortly, more often than not, nearly instantaneously. After receiving the test email, make sure to thoroughly review it in your inbox. Check every detail from the subject line, the images, the links, down to the formatting. This is where you'll catch any pesky typos or layout issues that you may not have noticed before. Take note of any changes or tweaks needed and return to your Mailchimp campaign to